predictive model can be summarised as follows. Defining the success criteria needed for a position and evaluating these via a multi-method approach to generate a global matching score. It sounds simple in principle, but the entire model and the resulting algorithms needed several years of research and development. So, let's talk about the advantages of the predictive model. The first advantage is the universal nature of the model. It allows the inclusion of any category of success criteria. In the first version of the predictive model that will launch, this consists of behavioural skills. In the same way, it can use any type of evaluation method as long as it is associated to one of the criteria in the model via a level of predictivity. The second benefit that derives from this is the level of reliability. In the predictive model, we cross-reference the evaluation methods by considering how relevant they are to a given criteria, enabling better levels of predictivity. For example, for the skill analytical reasoning, the reasoning test will have more impact than a personality test. The more methods we include, the better the prediction will be. The third advantage is interpretability. Everything in the model is easily interpretable and explained in detail. As an HR user, you have a clear vision of the success criteria included, which you yourself can modify. You can easily visualise the suitability of each skill or job position as a whole and convey exactly what you're looking for to the candidates. The fourth advantage is that this dynamic skill approach is candidate-centric. For example, in relation to their profile, the candidate can get an idea of which skills they could rely on and which they could develop. Finally, the last advantage is simplicity. The model is generated in just a few clicks, automatically, taking into account all the complexity of the whole position. You do not need the same level of expertise as was the case when evaluating a profile using traits. In the case of recruitment, for example, you can create a predictive model, run your evaluation campaign, and visualise the matchings in a very intuitive way.